What's going on, everybody? It's the man, HLS Comedy, Heavy J Blige. Several names, same great funny, same great amazingness. I am back with another video. It's been a while since I've been able to record. You know, I own and operate a store in this great country of ours, so I don't really get a chance to do anything. I'm here 7 days a week, minding my fat black business. But quick little update on a build that I was working on for a hot second. I say build, but it's loosely just me slapping parts together that I ordered online. So it's going to be Anderson lower on this AR. It was real cheap, like real cheap. They basically went out of business, so everything from them is flying off the shelves because you can't get any warranty done, anything like that. So it is what it is, but real cheap lower, but great quality. Amazing quality, I'm not gonna lie. PSA upper, 16-inch upper. It came with a charging handle and a BCG. I swapped out the charging handle for a Rise armament charging handle. That was another one that I got on sale, fairly cheap. It was about 50 bucks, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, give or take. Strikefire II red green dot, another thing on sale at PSA. If you haven't been on Palmetto State Armory.com to look at all their sales, especially for the summertime, you are missing out. This optic normally goes for $249. They had it on sale for $99. Magpul furniture, front to back pretty much, so stock handle. I actually got the lower control arm group, all that stuff from PSA. So it was the stock, the buffer tube, grip, trigger, all that stuff came from them. That was another 100 bucks. Fairly cheap. Again, normally they have it listed at 200. I got it for 99. Now I changed some things out. Instead of the trigger and assembly stuff that came with the kit, I used Cmmg instead, and I'll be honest with you, I like it a little bit better. It feels a little more crisp than the stuff that came with the actual kit. As I said, Magpul everywhere, foregrip, all that good stuff. But honestly, all in, probably under $600. Probably less. Wait, probably less than that for my first AR build, which I think it came out pretty cool. Shoot straight, right out the gate. Definitely worth the time and energy that I put into doing this, especially for my first front to back kind of build. Assembling a lower for the first time, just doing all this on my own, watching YouTube videos, things of that nature, but you know, figuring it out as I went along has been a great experience. Now I had a different sight up here. I had a large optic on here. It was great, but it's more so for like the long distance stuff. This fits a little bit better, makes it a lot lighter than what it was. I'm gonna get back to that, and I'll probably do a video on that as well. But either way, like I said, probably 6, maybe under 6, maybe a little bit over, depending on, you know, shipping and handling, which I never want to add into anything because, you know, it doesn't really count. You had to pay for that anyway. All right, so I'll be back with more details on this and a range video coming up soon. But, you know, stay strapped, stay dangerous, and stay out the way. Y'all have a good one. Be safe.